3, maybe 4 hours. What? You grabbing snacks? Oh, thank you for. I'm getting full already. What the fuck? It was those chicken hearts I was snacking on earlier. Portland? Okay, that's not. Shit, why am I so fat? I think I have to fart again. Who was that? And I don't like drinking regular water that much. And then you can find everything else from there. This is like ASMR. Is it? Kimbo. Thank you for the hand hearts. Yeah, when I have good food at home to show you, then I'll show you. Cooking a ribeye steak. Hi. I'm kind of full. I ate a whole teriyaki meal earlier and some frozen yogurt and a little bit of fish. Oh yeah, that's what I was waiting for. Alright, I got more room now. I'm gonna use the other half of the box as a bowl. I feel like I should have gotten the today's a gas a day. I need more rice. I'm getting fat though. Oh, that was a thick burp. Making a steak dinner at 8 a.m. I don't know. I still have a little bit of sparkling water left. Before I started the live, and now there's nothing. You like my shirt? Thank you. I feel like the shirt